Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your eBay account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your eBay account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in ebay.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for eBay login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the sign in or register eBay at the first result of Google. Click over there, and on the first tab we are on the home page of eBay itself. Now to log into your eBay account from your home page of eBay, you can see the sign in or register button available at the top left corner of your screen where I'm hovering right now. Click on sign in, and you can see both of these pages are same disclosed on these. Now you'll be required to enter your email or your username which you had registered on eBay at the time of creating your account, and then after that click on continue, and then on the next page you'll be required to enter your password, and after that click on sign in to log into your eBay account. Or if you have not yet created an account on eBay, you can see the create an account option available over here. Click over there to go through a process to register for eBay, to register an account on eBay. Or if you want to just sign into eBay with your Facebook or your Google or your Apple ID, you can click on either one of those depending upon which you want to log into. You can see this is the Facebook login page on which we were redirected from the eBay itself, and this is the Google login page on which we were redirected from the eBay itself. When you go back, you can see continue with the Apple. When you click on there, we will be taken to the login page of the Apple ID. We will be required to enter our Apple ID and password to log into eBay ID with our Apple ID. And there guys, this is how you log into your eBay account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.